Hello all. Today we are going to learn examples on irrotational vector field and scalar potential. As we know that if field F bar is irrotational vector field, we can find scalar potential phi such that F bar is equals to del phi. So the first example show that F bar is equals to 6xy plus z cube I bar plus 3x square minus zj bar plus 3xz square minus yk bar is irrotational and find scalar function phi such that F bar is equals to del phi. So first we calculate del cross F bar, and we know that when del cross F bar is 0, then only the field F bar is say it is irrotational. So del cross F bar we can find by using the determinant. The first row is I bar, j bar, k bar. Second row is the coefficient of I bar, j bar, k bar from the del, that is dava by dava x, dava by dava y, dava by dava z. And third row is the coefficient of I bar, j bar, k bar from F bar. So it is the coefficient of I bar is 6xy plus z cube. It is also say F1. 3x square minus z, it is F2, and 3x z square minus y, it is F3. So here F1, that is 6xy plus z cube, F2 is 3x square minus z, and F3 is 3x z square minus y. Now solving this determinant, I bar into dava by dava y of this function 3x z square minus y, dava by dava y of 3x z square minus y, minus sign dava by dava z of 3x square minus z, then minus j bar into dava by dava x of 3x z square minus y plus k bar in minus dava by dava z of 6xy plus z cube plus k bar into dava by dava x of 3x square minus z minus sign dava by dava y of 6xy plus z cube. Now solving this determinant, so this is equals to I bar into derivative of this term with respect to y, it is minus 1, this minus sign, derivative of this term with respect to z, it is again minus 1, minus j bar into derivative of 3x z square minus y with respect to x, it is 3z square, this minus sign, and derivative of 6xy plus z cube with respect to z, it is 3z square, plus k bar into derivative of 3x square minus z with respect to x, it is 6x, minus sign, derivative of 6xy plus z cube with respect to y, it is 6x. So after solving we will get 0 I bar plus 0 j bar plus 0 k bar, that is 0 vector. That is value of del cross F bar is 0. That means F bar is irrotational vector field. Now F bar is irrotational, that means we can find a scalar function phi such that F bar is equals to del phi. So scalar function phi is given by phi is equals to integration of f1 dx plus integration of f2 dy plus integration of f3 dz plus c. While taking integration of f1 with respect to x, here y and z constant. While taking integration of f2 with respect to y, here f2 is free from x and z is constant. While taking integration of f3 with respect to z, here it is free from x and y. This is equals to. Now f1, so integration of f1's value of f1 is 6xy plus z cube. So writing here integration of 6xy plus z cube into dx. Now while taking f2, here f2 is free from x. So check out the value of f2. f2 is 3x square minus z, but we have to take f2 free from x. That means we have to neglect the term of 3x square. So it is free from x, that is the term which is free from x, it is only minus z. So taking integration of minus z dy plus, now integration of f3 dz, but it is free from x and y. So while taking f3, take it is free from x and y. So here f3 is 3xz square minus y. So there are two terms. The first term is not free from x and second term is not free from y. So term which is free from x and y is not present here. So we can take it as a 0. Integration of 0 dz plus c. Now here y and z constant and here z as a constant. This is equals to, now integrating this with respect to x, taking y and z as a constant term. So here 6 as it is, y as it is, and integration of x is x square by 2 plus z cube into x. Now this minus z, it is a constant term, and integration of dy is y. Integration of 0 dz, it is 0 plus c. That is equals to 3x square y plus xz cube minus yz plus c. That is final value of phi. Phi is equals to 3x square y plus xz cube minus yz plus c. That is the value of phi. That is a scalar function phi, such that f bar is equals to del phi. Now next example, question number 2. If f bar is equals to y sin z minus sin x I bar plus x into sin z plus 2yz j bar plus xy cos z plus y square k bar, verify whether f bar is irrotational, and if it is irrotational, find scalar potential phi. So first of all, we verify whether this f bar is irrotational. That means we calculate del cross f bar. Del cross f bar is equals to determinant of, first row is I bar, j bar, k bar, second row is dabba bar dabba x, dabba bar dabba y, dabba bar dabba z, and third row is f1, f2, f3. Value of f1 is y sin z minus sin x. Value of f2 is x sin z plus 2yz, and value of f3 is xy cos z plus y square. Now you have to evaluate this determinant. So this is equals to I bar into dabba by dabba y of this function xy cos z plus y square minus dabba by dabba z of x sin z plus 2yz plus j bar into dabba by dabba x of xy cos z plus y square minus dabba by dabba z of y sin z minus sin x. Here is the minus sign, second sign, minus j bar is there, plus k bar into dabba by dabba x of x sin z plus 2yz minus dabba by dabba y of y sin z minus sin x. This is equals to I bar into, now derivative of this function with respect to y, it is x cos z plus 2y minus sin derivative of this function with respect to z, it is x cos z plus 2y minus j bar into derivative of this function with respect to x, it is y cos z minus derivative of this function with respect to z, it is y, derivative of sin z is cos z, plus k bar into derivative of x sin z plus 2yz with respect to x, it is sin z minus derivative of this function with respect to y, sin z. So if you simplify this, we will get 0 I bar plus 0 j bar plus 0 k bar, that is a 0 vector. Therefore, value of del cross F bar is 0. This implies F bar is irrotational vector field. So we can find phi. So phi is given by phi is equals to integration of f1 dx plus integration of f2 dy plus integration of f3 dz. While taking integration of f1, here y and z as a constant term. Here it is f2 is free from x and z constant, and here f3 is free from x and y. This is equals to integration of f1. Value of f1 is equals to y sin z minus sin x. So integration of y sin z minus sin x dx plus f2, but f2 is free from x. So if you look at the term of f2 is x sin z plus 2yz. We require the term free from x, so neglect the first term which contains x. So only the second term, that is 2yz. So integration of 2yz dy plus integration of f3 with respect to z. While taking f3 is free from x and y. Look at the term f3. So the first term, it contains x and y, so it is not free from x. Second term is also y square, it is also not free from x and y. So there is a no term which is free from x and y. So take here 0. Integration of 0 dz plus c. So taking integration, so first integration y and z constant. For second integration z constant. So here y and z constant, so y into sin z as it is, and integration with respect to x, so we will get into x. Minus integration of sin x, it is minus cos x, so minus minus plus cos x, plus integration of 2yz with respect to y, so 2z it is a constant term, and integration of y is y square by 2. Integration of 0 with respect to z, it is 0 plus c. So you will get xy sin z plus cos x plus y square z plus c. This is value of phi, scalar function phi, such that f bar is equals to del phi. Thank you.